Good morning everyone. Today we solve a physics question from Medical Entrance Gallery of DC PANDEY chapter 1. So here the questions is given in terms of time t and distance x. The force F is given by F equals to A sin ct plus B cos dx. Then dimension of A by B and C by D is. So here we have to find the dimension of A by B and the C by D. So at first we write it here, the equation F equals to A sin ct plus B cos dx. As we know that if the dimension is same, then we have to sum of these two number. So here we say that the A sin ct and the B cos dx are the same dimension, and the F equals to A sin ct, and here we know that the sin ct is equals to sin theta, then ct is the unit less. So as we say that the ct equals to 1, and we calculate the dimension of C is 1 by t, and the dimension is t to the power minus 1. And another things is that here the B cos dx, and we also say that the dx equals to 1 because dx is not carried any dimension and x is the distance. So d is the 1 by x, that means the 1 by L means L to the power minus 1. This is the dimension of D. And another thing is that F equals to A sin ct, that means the dimension of F and the dimension of A sin ct is the same. And here we also say that the dimension of F and the dimension of A is same. So here we say that F equals to A as the calculative of the dimension. So here F means the force. We know that the force means the m L t to the power minus 2. This is the dimension of A. And another thing is that here the m L t to the power minus 2, this is also the dimension of B. So according to the question, we have to calculate the dimension of A by B and the dimension of C by D. So here we easily say that the A by B, that means the ml t to the power minus 2 divided by ml t to the power minus 2. Here we get the dimension of A by B, m to the power 0, L to the power 0 and t to the power also 0. And another thing is that C by D, that means we put the value of C and put the value of D. Here the t to the power minus 1, this is the dimension of C, and the L to the power minus 1, this is the dimension of D. And here we get the L by T, that means m to the power 0, L to the power 1 and t to the power minus 1, this is the dimension of C by D. So here according to the options, we get the correct option is option A. This is m to the power 0, L to the power 0, t to the power 0. This is the dimension of A by B, and the m to the power 0, L to the power 1 and t to the power minus 1, this is the dimension of C by D. And our answer is goes to option A.